This is Scout. Scout's an app for professional investors available on your iPad and soon on your iPhone. Scout leverages a watch list at the center of your home screen, as you see before you. The January-February 15th IPOs is one of many different watch lists that I've created. These watch lists have tickers in them that you add, and these tickers drive the auto-caching of documents on the left. What does that mean? It means that for whatever watch list you've set up, you have access to all the documents that you would care about as a professional investor. That includes transcripts, filings, company presentations, financials, everything. And even better, this app proactively stores that on your iPad so that whether you have a connection with the internet or not, you're able to quickly access that document. You can actually search the document as well. You can notate. And even send to your colleague on the desk. The other thing that we do is save audio associated with all these companies. In this case, I'm going to show you an earnings call from Q1 of Box. On the right, I've stored that audio call in what I call the briefcase, which allows you to sync this with your iPhone and other clients we're going to be creating, so you have it whenever you need it, wherever you are, whether or not you're on your iPad. And it allows you to listen to these conference calls real time.
Welcome to the Box Incorporated First Quarter Fiscal 2016 Earnings Conference Call.
We have that audio for 5,000 publicly listed companies. And the idea is, by providing the documents on the left and the audio that you see in the briefcase on the right of the companies that we know you care about, we save you time. Time that you would have spent printing these out, downloading from several websites, emailing yourself, and hoping that with an internet connection on the plane you could access the document. We take all of that away from you, and that's just one part of our story. We're also allowing you to quickly look for companies that you're interested in adding to your watch list. So for example, if you're thinking about initiating coverage or doing an investment in Facebook or Apple, you can simply type in Apple, and go to a dashboard view of all the documents associated with Apple and with other selected streams that we've curated for you. In this case, your watch lists, recent IPOs, and even companies that you've looked at recently. If I wanted to go specifically to a company that I had heard about, in this case Facebook, you can see how quickly we populate all those documents, cache them, and make them available to you. In this case, you get a whole range of documents, everything from earnings calls on the top to income statements. As you can see, you see that income statement in line with the other documents you've looked at. So for example, if I want to compare this income statement to the earnings transcript, I simply press on the different tabs below. In addition to this, we're also providing market data, fundamentals that are associated with your companies. So in this case, I'm showing you a view of Salesforce.com that we've created. And as you can see, it has charting, financials, ratios, and has sections that you can drill into, which gets you to the documents that I showed you earlier. often to recreate these kinds of statements and that data in a buy-side friendly way. And what I mean by that is in a way that is calculated just as a buy-side person might. Something that normally will take you hours in Bloomberg and then again in Excel, in which case you manipulate the Bloomberg data into a usable format. We've done that work for you. And we've created data sets by company and by sector that actually matter to a discerning investment professional of that particular sector, as opposed to the templates that you're normally given by market platforms that are 10 times our cost. Our mantra is to provide 80% of the functionality at 20% of the cost on a mobile and web client that's seamless, that's fast, that allows you to work without a connection, and even allows you to collaborate with your colleagues. Thanks for checking us out.